bottle until it get hollow.
Rez back here again, and today we got a good video, a big milestone in my automotive hobby, career, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna be picking up my 90s JDM dream car. Honestly, I had already given up on getting one of these, but a good opportunity came up and we're gonna be picking it up. What I believe is the cheapest example of it in the United States. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Still 2 hours away. The main part of this journey has been in freaking traffic, so the trend continues, but we're still driving along. Alright, so we're just pulling in now, and I just want you guys to get my reaction here of seeing the car for the first time. So here we go. We're about to turn in. A long drawn-out drive with a bunch of traffic. You probably saw when I filmed a little bit earlier, but about to turn up here. Look at that. He said he already has it sitting out for us, so
turn left.
Ooh, I see it. Oh wow.
Keep left. Eyes up.
Damn. There it is. Oh snap. Is this real life? What's up, everybody? Made it home with the FD, new to me. And right now what we're gonna do is just a quick walk around so I can show you everything on the car right now. Just to keep it, there's no secrets or anything like that. I did sell the Evo right after I bought this just because I want to focus all on this, and the Evo was fun, but it was time to move on to the next thing, and I'm going to be keeping this girl for a real long time, so let's get right to it. Let's start this walk around. So first thing you'll notice is that the wheels are the ones from the Evo. So when I sold the Evo, I sold it without the wheels, and I put the wheels on here because I really like these wheels and they fit up just perfect, so why not keep them? So that's the first thing. We'll go around, we'll start at the front and then make our way to the back. As you can see, the body does have a little bit of damage. Fenders chipped, a little bit of rust here. Bumper is made out of fiberglass, and honestly I'm just gonna go with a new bumper because it does look like the previous owner hit like a tanuki or something in Japan with this damage up front here. So there's that there. This fender has been repaired before, and the Bondo looks like it flaked off already and it's coming off. Engine, I'm gonna be doing a compression test next video, which I already did, but let me just tell you the numbers are good. I did not know that before, but with the price of the FD, I just couldn't pass it up. But motor's healthy, all stock. Secondary turbo might be dying out a little bit there, but we'll see. We still got big plans for this. Then we'll make our way around this way. So it did come with some aftermarket side skirts. I don't know how I feel about them yet. I might run them, but they do need to be cleaned up and repainted if anything. And it came with this double-decker wing, which my buddy said that these go for quite a pretty penny. So I don't have the hardware, but as soon as I get it, I will be mounting that on the FD just to see how it looks. I am digging the wingless look, but I don't like these little thingies here, which the hatch needs to be repainted, needs new seals all the way around. the previous owner with those side skirts. He did drill right into the fender for some reason. It has a Recaro driver's seat. It's pretty dope, pretty awesome. This aftermarket steering wheel, which I don't mind it, to be honest. Took the shift knob off the Evo, put it in here. 78,000 miles it has. I don't know if it's the original motor. That's what the previous guy said. It's got an aftermarket rear bumper, which honestly, I really dig. It's got the 99 spec tail lights and the 99 spec little fog light thingies. Again, another hole right here because of the something. I don't know why that one's there, to be honest. But another hole there. I did ask my friend what this meant, and it was just like it just means like we can do it. Good luck for the earthquake that took place in Japan in 2011. So body needs some work, but for the price that I got it for, can't beat it. Shells are going for 12 grand, and I got this for a little bit over that. I'll just say, I won't say the exact price, but a little bit over that. Yeah, so got the rear seats in the back. I don't know why, but she needs a little bit of work, but overall runs and drives. So yeah, I'm really happy to have this car, and I can't wait for the next stages. I have the vision in my mind. Now we just got to put it in motion little by little. So next video that you guys will be seeing, just like I said, it's going to be that compression test, and then compression test, spark plugs, and after that it's going to be an oil change, because the oil has only 1,000 miles, but it's done like a year ago, so I want to get it redone anyways. But yeah, I'm really excited to be working on this. Again, I never thought I would own this car, just because the prices of them are outrageous, and just to be, sorry about that exposure, but just to think that this is my car now, it's a dream come true. So keep, god damn it, stay tuned, because we got plenty of videos coming on the FD and a few other projects that I got going on. So you already know what to do. There you go. All right, always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out.